Today, we're going to look at building a complete solution using Webparts360 App Studio. By complete application, we mean we're going to build a complete project management portfolio, an individual project workspace, an expense approval workflow, reporting, and at the same time provide for security control. This solution will not only pull together standard SharePoint functions, but will also extend SharePoint beyond its out-of-the-box capabilities. So when we talk about a dashboard, it looks very similar to SharePoint, but if you look carefully, this system has a multi-column KPI. SharePoint only supports a single column. The other thing that you realize is that the menu says View Project or Edit Selected Project. It doesn't say View or Edit Item, the standard SharePoint menu items that are very difficult to change. And more importantly, with this Gantt view, we see a monthly view, not just the daily view that is only available in SharePoint. Now, when you look at the details of the project workspace, you see the details for a selected project, and you have a menu that shows you only items for that selected project. Yet, we can still see all the expense requests across all projects. So during the project expense submission process, the system will provide field validation and related lookups. And during the approval process, you see there is column permission control, so that only project managers can access certain fields within the system. Upon completion of the workflow or any time during the workflow process, you are able to see or audit the flow of that transaction, including round trips. And as you know, SharePoint is a single-step workflow and cannot go round trip out of the box. And for reporting, we're going to be joining two tables, the actual expense with the budgeted expense, and also provide drill-through into the project workspace. While this is just a highlighted overview of the functionality, at the same time, when you look at the security control, the project managers can access more security functionality than the team members. Once the solution is delivered, best practices demands that it be documented with an entity relationship diagram, with a process flow, and that all the processes are auditable, with the ability to see a system map of where your solution assets are. With these in place, you now have a solution that you are able to extend and enhance as future needs arise. So the question is, how long would this take you to create in any environment that you choose? Our challenge is to show you how you can build this in just 30 minutes.